guys, it's time for math. Are you ready to get going? I think we are. Let's start with the date, the number, pattern, and our coin cup. All right, today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. All right, echo after me. April 29th, 2020. All right, now I want you to say it all by yourself. Are you ready? I want to be able to hear you, and go. Very good. Nice job. Okay, let's do our number pattern. We're going to start here with 66, 67, 68, blank, blank, blank. Okay? Go ahead and write it down and fill it out, and then we'll go over it. All right, I'm going to get my marker and fill it in as well. All right, here we go. Let's add on to that number pattern. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. Did you get it? Yeah, that wasn't too hard of one today, was it? We are counting by ones, correct? By ones going up. All right, now it's time for coin cup. So I'm going to get my coins and spread them out here and get my camera flipped over. Here we go. All right, so let's see. I've got nickels and pennies. So let's put my pennies on one side. And let's put my nickels on the other. We're going to line them up so we can count. Do you remember how we count with our nickels? What do we count by? We count by fives. Right. Good job. Okay, here we go. So let's start with our fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Good. Did you see how I did that? When I got to 45, I just went up 1. I went from 45 to 46, 47, 48, 49. So we have 49 cents in our coin cup today. Let me write that down for you guys. There you go. 49 cents. Good. All right, let's grab our math meeting book and let's add today's date to our April calendar. Do you remember your poem about months? 30 days has September, April, June, and November. So how many days are in April? 30 days has September, April, June, and November. There are 30 days in April, so we're just have one more day to add after today. So today is April 29th, so let's get a pencil, Miss Shaw. There's one, and we're going to add our 29. And there it is, April 29th. And if you go all the way up the column, what does it say today is? It's Wednesday, right? Wednesday, April 29th. So tomorrow will be the very last day of April because there's only 30 days in April. So, my goodness. It's hard to believe we've been home this entire month. That the whole month of April, you guys have been doing this at home. It's so strange, isn't it? Okay, go ahead and flip to your weather graph and look out the window. Is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it cloudy? And color in your next square for Miss Shaw. Tomorrow, you'll get to add your last day, and then you can send me a picture of your weather graph. All right, when you're done with that, go ahead and flip all the way to the back. Ta-da! And let's go to our hundreds chart today. And we are going to find the number 60. Are you ready? Oh, it's right there. All right, and from 60, we're going to count up to 80. We're going to go up. So get your pointer finger ready. Here we go. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Good job. All right, let's go over to our counting strips today. Let's do our tens, okay, going forward. We have this down. Oh, that's my 5 strip. Just kidding. My tens is over here. Let's do tens all the way down to 120. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Good. Now let's jump to the other side and let's do our hundreds. Here we go. Ready? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Good. How many zeros do I have in 1,000? I have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, go to your number line and let's add another number to your number line. Good. Once you're done with that, close it up and we will get ready for our number of the day. Let me get my coins out of the way and get my board, erase it. Okay, who can guess what the number of the day is? Have you guys figured out the pattern on the number of the day? That every day I just go up one more number. So if yesterday's number was 97, what's today's number of the day? Did I hear 98? Did somebody say 98? Well, if you did, you are correct. 98 is our number of the day. 9 and 8. Okay, now today I want you to tell me what number is in the tens place. What number is in the tens place? 9. What number is in the ones? Oops, let me get an S there. All right. What number is in the ones place? 8, right? This is our tens and this is our ones. Very good. We are getting very close to the number 100, aren't we? Just a couple more numbers and we'll be right at 100. All right, so today I need you to grab Master 1 108. And it was on a list of your papers that you would need for this lesson. I'll write that down. It's Master 1 108 or 108, okay? And it should have some 9 facts on it, like 10 plus something and then 9 plus something, okay? It has like 2 columns. So I don't have these worksheets at home, or I'd just show it to you. All right, so today we are going to work on our 9 facts. So we have worked on +2 and -2, and we've worked on our tens facts. So today we're really going to start thinking about our 9s facts. So when I say that, I'm saying, what's 9 plus 3? Right? Well, what's 9 plus 3? What's an easy way to do that? Well, there's a couple of ways. I'm going to write next to it something you will know easily. All right, so look at this one right here. This one says 10 plus 3. Well, what's 10 plus 3? 13, right? All right. Now, what do you notice different from this problem to this problem? What is different about these 2 math problems? Right, this one says 10 and this one says 9. Well, 9 is just 1 less than 10. So if 10 plus 3 is 13, then 9 plus 3 will be 12. Okay? It'll be 1 less. 13, 1 less is 12. All right, let's try it again. Okay, we're going to do another 9 fact. Let's do 9 plus 5. Okay? Look at that problem. 9 plus 5. All right, do you know what the answer is? Okay. Here, I'm going to write one next to it so you can see it. All right, well, what's 10 plus 5? We know that. That's a pretty simple one. 10 plus 5 is 15, right? Good. All right, so let's look at these two problems. What is different about these two problems? This is different than this, right? The 5s are the same. So 9 is 1 less. 9 is 1 less than 10. So, what do you think 9 plus 5 is? What's 1 less than 15? If I count backwards, it's 14, right? So 9 plus 5 is 14. All right, let's try it again. All right, let's do a 9 plus 7, okay? What's 9 plus 7? Do you know? All right, well, I'm going to write a problem next to it. That's a little bit easier. All right, what's 10 plus 7? Right, 10 plus 7 is 17. All right, let's write that down. It's 17. Okay, now remember, I want to look at this problem and this problem. What is different about these two problems? Right, the 10 and the 9. 9 is 1 less than 10. So what's 1 less than 17? If I were counting backwards, what comes before 17? 16, right? So 9 plus 7 is 16. Very good. All right, we're going to do one more together, okay? And then that is it. Let's see, 9 plus 2. Can you tell that's a 9? My marker's being a little funny. All right, what's 9 plus 2? Do you know? All right, well, I'm going to write one next to it. 10 plus 2. All right, what's 10 plus 2? That's 12, isn't it? Right? 12. All right, now let's look at these problems. What is different about these two problems? 9 is 1 less than 10. So what's 1 less than 12? Think about what number comes before 12. 11. So 9 plus 2 is 11, whereas 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay? Do you see that pattern that kind of makes? Like I always say, our numbers make a pattern and they come together, which I really love numbers. I think they're really fun. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys with that. You have your worksheet AA 7.1 that will have your 9 facts, and then worksheet 108. So that is your math for today. Also, really quickly, I don't want to forget, you do have math fact cards like flashcards, and they should be yellow. Yep, they should be yellow cards. So if your mom can get those out and tear them apart, and that way then you can practice with your flashcards on your 9 facts, okay? You did great, and I will see you guys later. All right, bye-bye.